Hey, what's up, guys? I want to show you this pyramid, and I want to tell you that today my boss fired me. Even if I had good results, because this year I have sold around $400,000 in sales this year with a very good profit, and it seems like they didn't appreciate my work, and it's very sad. And I feel anger, but in the same time I'm very grateful because I have an online business that I started to working since 2 or 3 years ago, to have a second stream of income. I want to show you. This is the top of the pyramid. You can see a house. And nowadays we need multiple streams of income. If you're interested, or if you want to have the knowledge, you can click the link in the description. And start watching and studying, because it takes time. And I'm very grateful because I started 2 or 3 years ago, and I have this online business that can support me in difficult times. And now when I think about it, that a lot of people that have been fired and they don't have a second stream or a third stream of income in which they can rely on, it's very tough. It's very tough. Yeah. Yeah. If you want to have the knowledge, you can click the link in the description and start watching and studying. Yeah. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye.